To another set of hair hack videos. Take one part of your hair, tie it with a rubber band. Take another part of your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail, roll it upwards. Then take few sections of that ponytail, give it a fluffy look and thick look. Secure it properly with a bobby pin of your liking. See how easy it was. Take your hair, tie it in the form of ponytail, do plaits, roll the plaits upwards in a crisscross manner, secure it properly with a bobby pin and you are done. Your hair, tie it in the form of a long ponytail. Then take another part of that ponytail and tie it in the form of plaits. Then roll the plaits upwards to the circular part of the previous part of the hair. Secure it properly with a bobby pin. Then you are done. See how easy it was. One part of your hair, tie it in the form of plait. Take another part and tie it in the form of simpler plait. Roll it upwards, secure it properly. Tie it in the form of a rubber band into a half ponytail. Then divide it into two sections. Make it in the form of plaits. Roll the plaits upwards just like this. Secure it tightly with a bobby pin. You are done. Your hair, roll it upwards with the help of your finger. It should be so neat that the floor shouldn't be visible. See, you are done. It was so easy. Tie your hair in the form of ponytail. Take two parts of your hair and divide it into three parts by making plaits. Then roll the upper part of the hair in the form of circle around the rubber band. Then take one plait and tie it around the circular part. Take another plait, roll it upwards in the form of circle to the side of the plaits. You are done. These hair hacks can be complex at times, but these are absolutely your go-to makeup ready looks. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a rubber band. Then take hair from both the sides of your head, crisscross it in this manner that it looks clean. Then tie it in the form of a rubber band. You are done. It was so easy. It gives you an elegant look. Tie your hair in the form of half rubber band and do it continuously and consecutively to the lower parts of your hair as well. Insert the remaining part inside and secure it with the 5-legged rubber band. It was done. See how easy it was. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Take two parts, make plaits, insert the plaits inside that ponytail, make gaps, tie it another with a plait and roll the plaits upwards to the circular part of the hair. Secure it properly with your favorite back pin or bobby pin. Take one part of your hair, divide it into two parts. Take one part, make it in the form of plaits. Take that plaits, tie it properly upwards. Make another plait, tie it properly downwards, giving it a circular look and crisscross look. Decorate it properly just like this. See how easy it was. It looks so elegant and beautiful. Thank you for watching.